Hello, mic test 1, 2, 3. Hello, mic test 1, 2, 3. Hello, mic test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, 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 1, 2, 1. Hello, hello, Angie. Wow, hiwala Hiwala si Angie Si Angie na una. Hello, Alana. How are you? Good, what's up? How are you, Angie? Nagulat ako, nag-pop up yung pangalan ni Angie. Hello, Alex. Hey, Alex, ba't ngayon ka lang? How are you, Alex? Kamusta? I still remember you. Wait lang. Can you guys hear me? Because currently right now I'm not really sure if I'm audible. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I'm audible right now. Hello, wait. Hello, Star. Hey, kamusta ka, Star? Rinig naman. You're audible, yo. Hello, Star. How are you? How's your Saturday? How's your Saturday, Angie? Kamusta kayo? Kamusta ka rin, Alex? Been a long time since I've seen you. How are you, Alex? Done with your, guys? Done with your errands? I've been busy with school, yes, but school days are done, right? What about now? Are you gonna be available with us now? Sorry. Sorry. Sige, palitan natin, Ashley. Hello, Ashley. Wala ka sa akin si Ashley. Aga, kuya, yo. Mag-end ka ba hanggang 9? I'm not really sure, but alika na muna dito. Hello, Karen! What's up, Karen? How are you? Nanunumpa ka na naman, sabi ni Papi Chulo. Ikaw talaga, wala nanunumpa dito. Mga sumpala talaga yung ginagawa nyo. Di ba, Karen, you agree with me? Ito si Karen, nagtatrabaho rin tayo. So, I know she will agree with me. Di ba masama yun? 12-hour shift, tapos maliligo, hindi man lang magpapahinga. Di ba masama yun, Karen? Ngayon, nakakaramdam na siya ng nginig-nginig. Bukas makalawa, nagbabibrate na buong katawan niya. Wait, imagine mo yung pag nagbabibrate buong katawan mo. Wait. Sorry. Ay, ginagawa mo rin mga pasaway. Pasma abot. Oy, di ba, Mikay? Papasma. Tapos after ligo, magkakape. Vibrate ka talaga yan. Magbabibrate ka yan. Para kang cellphone na 33 na yan. Hindi uso pasma, sabi ni Karen. It's okay naman. Okay lang, Ashley. You good? Are you good? Everything's good? Good here? Wait, are you the Ashley that I know? May mga Ashley rin kasi pumapasok dito. You're the Ashley that I know, the one who celebrates Ramadan as well, or Idil Fitr if I'm right. You're Ashley, right? Okay, alright. Gotcha. Sa office naman ako, yo, di naman hard labor, alright? Still, akala mo, if nakatapat ka sa computer, there is this tiny bits of radiation na pag naiipon, pumapasok in sa katawan mo. So, basta, kita na lang tayo pag nanginginig ka na. Sorry. Sorry. Okay po, Dok. Tama. Uy, hindi, doktor to. Hello, Impressy. How are you? Magkikita tayo either sa taas or sa baba. Dalawa lang yan, be. Nandito Jake Nunez. Hello. Happy Saturday to all of you guys. Na it's fine naman to take bath, sabi ni Ashley. Like, really? Like, say for example, um, you have like 12-hour shift, and after that shift, you're gonna take a bath right on? Is that right? Hello, Kai. Hello, Struck. How are you? What's up? Actually, dito sa ibang bansa, di sila aware dyan sa pasma talaga. Yeah. I know. But, you know what? I'm gonna be honest with you. When it comes to doctors, when it comes to medicines, there is not really a study about that, about that thing called pasma. However, you can experience it yourself. Before, I don't believe it as well. But I always work out, what do you call that? I always work out around 11 p.m. ng gabi hanggang 1 a.m. ng madaling araw. And before, I always take a shower right on, you know? But there's really a big difference, you know what I mean? There's really a difference. If and it's a bad thing, it's a bad thing, the difference that you're gonna feel. I mean, hi po kuya. Hello! Ay, ba't ganyan ang pangalan mo? Kaichu. Pasaway ka. Pero wala rin naman masama kung mag-iingat. Agreed. Okay, ayaw mag-count ng top ko. Hala, bakit? Sabi nila kasi, the best way for you to learn is to experience it. And I experience it. I really experience it. And the thing is that, baka sabi ko, dahil nagbubuhat lang ako, is it because I'm working out? But what I did is, I put a rest every time after I work out, like an hour. That bad feeling, I never felt it again. It means na there's something, right? Di na lang maliligo talaga, mas okay yan. Ay, hindi! Di pwede yan. Ano ka ba, Karin? Tama, mamaya, nasa 16 na naman tayo dito. 50-60, manifesting. Mag-i-stack up na naman tayo sa 50-60 na ito, guys. Tignan mo, aangat na naman aangat yan, guys. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Sa amin kasi, we don't believe in pasma. Yeah, in med, they really don't believe it. Because there's no study about it, There's no study about it. But it's not a superstitious belief. That's what I think. Not all things can be seen, or not all things can be learned through books, through textbooks. Sometimes you gotta experience it yourself. Baka masampal kami ni Doc, kakapasma. Kaya paano lumipad? Sabi ni Kaichu. Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman ako nalipad. Kuya, patapos na po yung DLC. Ito, DLC to, Strike. Wala naman kasi talaga medical term as pasma. May ibang term sila dyan. Oh, yeah. Hindi. Pasma is Tagalog, right? Late na ba ako? Hello, Rai. Oh, ngayon ka lang naman pumunta dito eh. Oh, ito rin to do, guys. Decorate the living room. Get wine. Put in the dining room. Roses, other present in study. Tandaan nyo to, hidden. Decorate the living room. Get wine in the dining room. This one. This is the wine, right? Okay, we're good.
Hard to believe one day she'll be.
Kaya siguro yung iba hindi naniniwala.
What's that voice?
Hidden. Yeah, hidden. Ano nyo Alam ko na kung paano lipad. Paano.
This must be my parents' house from when I was a
O,
baby.
lagi raw sa dining room.
I bet
Tapos,
other things also have my
sa inyong
dad's
dining room.
memories.
Eh, di ba ito yun? Okay na. Ito yun, di ba? Automatic sa baba ako mapupunta nito. Puro dark humor nasa IG ko. Alam mo, may lang yan. Basta wala kang tinatapakang tao. Tapakan mo kapag masakit yung likod. Punta ka sa kama, tas talon ka doon. Lipad, hindi. Kuya, horror game yan. Hindi, Kaichu. Hello, Lian. How are you, girl? What's up? Lalain na naman tayo. Roses, other present in study. Nasa study raw, tapos get wine, put it in the dining room. I got the wine already. Oh, punta raw ako sa ano. Oh, ito, kailangan ko na.
I'm so lucky to have you.
Kakaumpisa mo lang po. Yes, kakaumpisa lang. You're gonna stay here with us. Hello, Croissant! Happy Saturday to you guys! Teka lang, ha? Wala na naman, no? Kainis talaga. Ayaw talaga mag-count ng top ko. Watch na lang me. Ayaw mag-count? Wait lang, i-ex ko. Oh, in-ex ko yung sandali. In-ex ko yung Tickfinity. Okay. Attendance check. We are 15 here right now. Mamaya dadami yan. Manifesting tayo. Try mo lang ulit, Lone. Nirestart ko yung Tickfinity. Okay, we're good. Alright. Clear naman lahat, no?
She just
Ano
cannot
to?
get enough
Dead
of
eye.
this stuff.
Hello, Azrael. Hey, I remember you.
Put down
Tumalon
the
ako ng
baby
bintana.
as soon as I
Nilalapad ako.
started crying.
Try mong restart, Alona, yung mo. Maiinis na si Alona. Ayaw pa man din nitong wala sa ranking. Okay. Hello, Saint Peter Life. Lagi na lang may ganyan sa live. Hello, Impressy. Nasa study raw. Oh, ito na. Okay. Take your time and look around. I don't have time na nga ni.
Rose is such a picky eater.
Save ka ulit,
All
yo.
she ever
Nang
wants is
alan,
fruit
save ka.
puree.
Hindi na.
Yes,
Ikaw
I've
talaga.
always
Gusto mo
loved
yung
fruit.
pag-save eh. Ayaw talaga mag-switch nga. May nakakakaya. Sabi sa'yo ayaw yan. Hindi mo papakalian si Alona. Di ko alam kung paano mag-like nung live. Tap mo lang yung screen, dire-diretso. Mag-appear ka dyan. Kung kaya mo silang tapakan. Kasi kailangan para mag-appear ka dyan, kailangan matapakan yung mga pagkatao nila eh.
Upstairs?
Tapakan ng pagkatao dito para sa ranking. Hello, Marbs! Wait lang, naririnig nyo ba? Meron bang background music? I mean, meron namang... Oh. Naku, patay tayo dito, V.
This tune has always been special for our family.
Ah, ito na yun.
I think I've heard this before.
Ito yung isa sa mga palaisipan dun kay wala pa si DM, guys. Matatapos natin to nang wala si DM. Tignan mo. Hindi, okay lang yan. Inaantok naman. Baka saglit lang ako sa live niya. Ah, magpapahinga ka? Sige. Pahinga ka na. Sige na. Idlip ka na. Sige.
She's growing so
Kung idlip ka.
Getting bigger every day.
This crib is
Ganyan
so
ka naman eh.
little.
Uy, joke lang.
She's already
Biro lang.
growing
Di
out of
kasi
these
gumagana
rises.
yung top. Hello, Miri. Hello,
I can't
Seth.
believe I was ever this tiny.
Ay, grabe. Biro lang. Joke lang ka talaga. Biro lang. Boss mo, andyan yan. Matatapos natin to ngayon. Maniwala. Tiwala lang. Ano yan? It's luck.
I wonder if she'll look like me when she grows up.
I wonder if she'll look
I'm
like
so
me when I grow up.
happy.
Ay, hindi for na kasi ako nakatulog tapos nagising ako ng 6. Edi ang galing. Uy, pahinga ka na. Sige na. Thank you for stopping by here, ah. Pahinga ka na. Sige na. Go. Hello, Tubi's husband. Pahinga ka na. Ah, matatapos na natin to, guys. Yung mga ganitong pakita.
Funny.
Tapos na natin to, mga pusa. Maniwala kayo sa akin.
Happy half
Ala, grabe yung kamay niya. Puro kulubot.
My gift to you is a promise.
Tingnan
I'll
mo!
always be there for you. No matter what. I'll be there every
Ay,
birthday
sorry.
that you blow out the candles.
Na-overstimulate
I'll
na
be
naman.
there to make you breakfast and walk you to school
Oo,
every
30
day.
na yan. Ah,
I'll be
30 na
there
yan. Ikaw,
when I have a
30 ka
bad
na?
dream and sing to you until you fall back asleep. I'll hold
Aray
you tight
po.
when you're troubled or worried and tell you that everything's gonna be
Anong
alright.
name mo before Kaichu?
You are my precious Rose. Never forget
Nag-change
that.
ka lang ng name, no?
Dad.
What was... Yeah, I think so as well. Hello, Ares. Alo ka!
No!
Si Evelyn lumabas pa!
Michael! Michael, help! Michael!
Agoy! Agay! Nagising sa katotohanan, B.
What?
Naku ka.
Thing you're looking for? Isn't here.
Naririnig niyo ba?
So, you don't have the purifying crystal?
Of course not.
Agay.
For that, you'll have to go deeper. Much deeper. Poor Rose. She can't trust anyone.
Why are you doing this?
No one loves you.
Agay ko.
And what you're
Hello, DM!
no one will care! Enough games.
Oh!
Now
Oh!
drown.
I need to get out of this house.
Oh!
I came first.
First?
Oh!
Why does she only want you?
What are you talking about?
Let's go! Oh! Ba't ako babalik? Ay! 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 Ay!
Look at you! You are beyond
Bilisan mo!
worthless!
Seriously, what is your problem?
Uulit pa ako nito! Yan. We're gonna be safe now. Yay. Oh, what is this? White sage.
Just so.
Oh!
So many
Oh!
friends, but it's
Oh!
never enough!
Wala naman akong gamit eh. Anong gagawin? Paano ko?
Where do you think you're?
Umalis ka nga dyan, bata.
Your
Oh.
families.
Ow!
Enough of this shit!
Die! Die!
Okay. Oh, they're not stopping! Ha! Oh no! Nabakhag me. Nabakhag na naman tayo. Hello, Chachi! Chachi Capina! Hello, Cheska. How are you? Hello, Amai. Hello, Ronel Clase. She hugged you because she missed you, sabi ni John.
Enough games.
Let's go! Layo. Nakakainis.
I need to get out of this house.
Came first.
I ain't lost.
First?
Does she only want
Alis,
you?
alis.
What are you talking about?
Nakakatakot magbakag, no? Lulubog ka. Johnson, Baby Lotion, para sa taong. Hello, Lariat! Hello, thank you for liking my videos, ha. Salamat na marami. Appreciate you.
Seriously, what is your problem?
Madami na naman tayo, guys. For those mga bago pa lang ngayon, guys. If this is your first time here and you like this type of live, please follow me, like, and share the live. That will be a very big help. We also have an FB page. We also have a Blue App page. Sabi ni Ash Grahams. Hello, Ash Grahams.
So many friends.
Again, naglalag ako sa live mo. Sige. Thank you so much. I said thank you so much because you've liked the videos that I'm posting, some of the highlights that I'm posting here in my page. Salamat na marami.
Your family's here.
Enough of this shit!
Hello, Rizuri. That song is brought to you by Sino Ka Papaya. Wait ka lang, ha? Wait lang kayo dyan sa comment section, okay? Bilis! Ayun sila! Okay, we're good, guys. We're safe! We're safe. Kayo naglalaro ka po ba ng ibang laro? Oo naman. Thank you for sharing the live, guys. Salamat na marami.
And
Appreciate it.
join me here.
No, you cannot stun them, Lariat. Pero thank you, Lariat, sa pag-like nung ano, nung mga, nung mga videos that I'm posting. Some of the highlights there.
How are you even here?
Wala ka pala eh. Wala ka pala eh.
Michael,
Hello!
good, you made it out.
Hello, Julie. How are you? What's up? Inaantay ko kasi yung live mo talaga. That's good.
Evelyn, that little girl?
Evelyn's causing this. Friday the 13th, di ba brutal yung laro na yun? We can check. Hello, galer. Madami ba ako na-miss? Hello, DM. Not really that much. Anong game po yan? It's Resident Evil 8 Village. Use your powers on her. Sinong her? I can't help once she's weak. Anong fight, Evelyn? Paano? Use my powers. Sige. The Village. Yes, it is. Asan siya? Wala naman siya. Kuya, naglalaro ka po ba ng ibang laro? Oh, naman, naglalaro tayo ng ibang laro. Puso lang hindi, be. Rico! Don't panic. It's organic. Ay, you don't panic. You've got this pala. Ano tong lugar na to? Ha! No! Ariwa. Ala ka! Dinasalan ko na eh. This way. Ay.
I am such a good girl.
Alam mo ha? Ano ka? Ano ka? Samba! Plakda siya, Wi! Ang last ng Dark Magic, sabi na Ash Grahams. Pwede po ba pagkatapos ng Resident Evil 8 DLC, Resident Evil naman, pwede maglaro ka ng Dying Light The Beast? I'll try. But meron na akong kaka-download lang for you guys eh. After this, I just bought a new game.
Never.
Yeah. Di ba? Ano ka ba, Evelyn? Kau talaga. Hello, Yumi. How are you, girl? What's up? Yan, dumadami na naman tayo, guys. Dahil sa inyo yan, eh. Guys, if it's not too much, kindly share it and repost it. That will be a very big help, you know? Salamat na marami. Appreciate you guys. Oh, we're done. We're done na yata.
Guys, we were supposed to be a
Ano ka?
family.
It looks rusted shot. Sino yung umahampas sa akin?
I'm completely obsessed with stupid old.
Ala ka! Dumapay na naman to. Hello, Jasmine Lee. Thank you so much for following me. Salamat na marami. Appreciate you. Asan siya? Ala ka! I've been playing ML. Mag-dinner pa lang. Okay, dinner well. Anong ulam? Hello, Josh Shalel Moron. Thank you for following me. Salamat na marami. David John Martin. Hi kayo. Hello, David. How are you, David? Sa likod mo na ya. Sige. Ayusin natin yan. Huwag ka na magsalita, Michael.
Will never.
Ako lang mo problema. Swimming. Hello, Laria. Thank you for sharing the live. Salamat na marami. Hello, Wonder. How are you, Wonder? Nako! Yan. Dito lalabas yan eh. Dito. Yan. I just ordered crispy pork kare-kare pansit. Oh, sarap naman yan.
We were supposed to be a family. I'm completely obsessed.
Teka lang. Huwag kang sigaw. Ay, putik! Talisod na naman talaga. Oo, natalisod na naman. Ay, nako. Saan po next? Lumabas na, please.
Try here.
Antay mo ata mag-tantrum siya. Antay ko mag-tantrum siya. Ano sabi niya? Ano sabi ni Michael? Watch my step.
If you've never been born,
Patay ako nito. Sabi ko ni. Saan siya lalabas? Ayun, hindi naman ako abutin yan, ha? Ang Diyos ko. Mamatay ka na, please! Okay, sorry.
go away.
Okay na? Ayun, ayun! Ay!
I was special.
Ay, putik! Saan ako? Ay, putik! Sabi sa akin ng game, oh, change difficulty. I am cooked. Easy na to, eh. ano na yung next sa easy? Stupid? This game is roasting me, guys. This game is roasting me. They be like, oh, yo too stupid. You gotta change your difficulty. Hello, Newt. Hello, guys. Hello to the 41 viewers that we do have right now. Appreciate you guys dropping by here. Salamat na marami. And if it's not too much, guys, kindly follow me. Like, share the live. That will be a very big help for all of us. Wait, taga lang. Ano ba naman kasing, kanino ba kasing anak to? Oh, dito yan next eh. Na-open din, no? Na-open.
Died. We were supposed to be a family.
Ayan, tapos dito next yan eh. Ayan. Abisado ko na yung mga ginagawa mo, Evelyn.
Obsessed with stupid old roads.
Alam ko kung saan ang next mo eh. Dito ka eh. Ilang beses akong pumlakta dyan eh. O, di ba? Kaya yan, Chachi, syempre. Oo, watch my steps na talaga. Ay, mali!
If you'd never been born, it would have been perfect.
Let's. Meron pa. Lalabas pa yan.
Away. This is stupid.
My God! Asan pa isa? Ayun! My God! Mamamatay ako nito! Ala! Natilamsid pa!
That you're worthless. Nothing. Wait. No friend.
Anong you have me? Anong you have me? Ano gagawin ko na? Okay, we're good. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Keep focusing. I'll help. Anong tulong mo, Michael? Wala! Di ba luhaya? Wala. Tamo? Nung patay na, tsaka kumilos?
Can't believe how you.
Hirap na hirap ako, wala akong pakialam.
No wonder.
Ito yung classmate mo na kasama niyo sa thesis. Gusto ilagay siya sa listahan ng gumawa pero nagtimpla lang ng kanton.
It's all your fault.
Ay, sorry, baka may matamaan. Uy, hindi, I was just joking.
And I will never let you have what
Kakainin mo words mo mamaya, sabi ni PM. Bakit? Ay, sino yun?
Find that crystal.
Sino yun? Hello dogs. Yes, village. Si Ethan! Buhok ni Ethan yun eh. Astig! Si Ethan! tinulak siya. Hello, Patsy. Ano po to? Resident Evil 8 Village and...
Michael?
O ano, worthless pa rin ba?
Are you there?
Sobra! Hello, Samantha. I remember you. Thank you for coming back here. Told you si Ethan. Kanina pa kami naka-live, 11 a.m. Bakit ngayon ka lang? I was joking.
But he didn't.
Makapagtanong, bakit ngayon ka lang? Hello, Chris. Hello to the 70 viewers that we do have right now, guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by here and spending a bit of your time with Yoho. If this is your first time here, please follow me, like, and share the live. That will be a very big help. We also have a blue up page. Just type Yohomi that has the same profile picture here. We also post every day
Because of
highlights of the games that we're playing. Notice me, Lods. Hello, Samantha. Uy, Notice me, Lods. Kanina pa nga ni. Hello, Alona. Hello, Mrs. Abunda. Hello,
I
Ice Cream.
have to find that crystal.
Ay, tapos ko na yung tapos sa wakas, nakaalis na ako doon sa lugar ng Manika.
I have to keep going.
Explore surroundings. Hello, Kersan. Thank you for topping your screen, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you for the 54k likes right now. Salamat na marami. Hello to the 54k likes, yeah. Hello to the 59 viewers that we do have. Please follow me. That will be a very big help, Hello, Aliyah. Tapos na. Kaso wala na nagtatantrum. Totoo. Oh, ano yan? Oo, meron ako niyan.
What's all this doing out here?
Wala ka ba baril dyan? Dapat meron. Hello, Florida. Thank you for Thank you for sharing the live. Salamat, Florida. Naiiyak ako pag naalala ko si Ethan, sabi ni DM. Diba? Grabe, no? Ang dami nang ginawa niya, no? Pero wala. Ano bang Tagalog ng mold, guys? Ano ba Tagalog ng mold? What's the Tagalog word for mold? Butik, nagulat ako sa mata. Amag, yan. Di ba mold daw si Ethan? O, di ayan, naging amag siya.
Is this
Kaya huwag kayo masyadong magmamahal, okay? Kasi magiging amag kayo. Aray ko! Hello, Sage. Hello, Sage 2006. Yes. Rose. It's Shadow of Rose. But it's still Resident Evil. It's the DLC of Resident Evil 8 Village. Noted po, sabi ni Impresi. Hello, Angelo Clark Kent. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Oh. Siya yun na.
what?
Wala na, para di maging amag, wag magmahal. Tama. Hello, Ann. I remember. Hello, Kat. Tingnan natin ko. Ayan na! Gamit na natin! Gamit na natin! May mga baril na tayo. Can you play Resident Evil 5 and Resident Evil 6? We just finished Resident Evil 7. I was able to play Resident Evil 5 and 6 before in PlayStation. But right now, I think I'm not gonna go back anymore on that one. Kasi, pag tapos na, wag nang binabalikan. Aray ko! Bro, I can send out, bro. Oh, can I? Oh, okay. Viewer sa mga tao kasi wag dyan. Meron ba? Ay, meron nga! I can run, right? I can run. Okay, next place, Resident Evil 9, right? Sabi ni Sake. Teka lang. Ano ko lang to? Crossoveran ko lang to. Woo! Amagin mo. Wala tayong ganong bala, guys. Okay? Huwag kang magpatakma! Ayun! Hello, Pistachio. Hindi tayo magpapadakma dyan, B. Yeah, ligtas na tayo. Siege ba? Sage. Okay. Ah! Ay! Bakit kailangan kasing lumabas doon? Oh, they're killing people there, oh. Bilis, please! Meron sa likod! Sabi ko na! Bilis, pupuntahan pa tayo. Maniwala ka sa... Smooth pa yan si Resident Evil 7. Oh, smooth yan, brother. Aray ko! Amagin mo. Ay, wala na. Paano nangyari? Ba't nabuhay ako? May tinapon ako? It's sage. It's sage po kuya. It means wise. Oh yeah, sage. Am I right? Dalian mo na tayo. Ito na po. Ito talaga si Samantha eh. Ito na po. Uy! Parang may umablot sa akin. Meron nga! Hello. Hello, Crystal. Hello, Wena. Na-stress na ako. Relax ka lang. Alisin natin yung stress mo dito mamaya. Doon sa susunod na game na we're gonna play. Hello, Ishi. Hello there, guys. Hello to the 60 viewers that we do have, guys. We're going up. Di ba kanta yun? Yung we're going up? Ano ito? Nalaro mo na Outlast, yo? Yes, I did. The 1 and Outlast 2. I was able to play it. Oh, golden ata. Oh, yeah, that's it, golden. Yung ano, I'm going up in the way. Oh, wait, parang mali. Parang may mali. Parang hindi.
Someone's been here.
Di ba? Sa Demon Hunters yun. Maling yung lyrics. Mali ba? Hindi. Pakinggan mo, tama yun. Patay na naman tayo nito. Yari na naman ako nito. Patay na naman ako nito. Oh. Teka nga. Mag-heal nga ako. I'll try. Yan. I healed. I am healed! Hello, Lyra. Parang man-heal. Wait lang. Ayan. Okay. We got a lot of powers right now. Close natin yan. Kailangan ko nang magkasa. Kasi ito, kailangan ko tong shotgun nito. Maniwala ka sa akin. Mapapainabangan ko yan. Yan. Anyari na. Tayo, may kalaban ata dyan. Wala. Ikaw talaga. Relax ka lang, Samantha. Hindi ka papabayaan ni Yoho. Wait ka lang. Relax ka lang. Kasi kinakabahan din ako. Parehas lang tayo dito. Sandali. I'll just use first aid kit. Kabado. Hello, January Ricario. Kuya, may ask lang po ako pagkatapos ng Resident Evil DLC. Resident Evil na po ako. Hindi pa siguro. Kasi I downloaded a new one eh. I bought a new game as well. Nagamit ko na. Ang tagal, nagamit ko na. Yun!
They couldn't have been.
Ilan ba DLC niya ang Resident Evil 8? There's another one eh, yung parang mercenary something. Meron pa ulit eh. We're gonna finish all of it para sulit na sulit. Lalaroin mo ba? Yeah, wala naman tayong magagawa kundi laruin. Gusto mo ba ng ibang laro na? Maraming part ang 8 ata. Oh, Samantha. Naglalaro ka rin, di ba? May malaki kang kakalabanin dyan. Ingat po. Totoo, Lariet? Have you played this na? Oh, dati ngayon wala na. Ayoko na. Ayaw mo na. Oh, sige. I'll play the game for you. Kaya bumalik-balik kay dito, ha? We'll look for you next time, ha? Pag ano ang attendance mo, bagsak ka. I was just joking. Hello, play with Twina. Don't spoil, guys.
That feeling again.
Hindi, napatay ko na yon. Yung kay Ethan yon, yung may anuhing malaki. That pool I've been feeling is close, but I just can't go anywhere. I thought I had made it when I saw that blue light, but no, not quite. If only I'd been braver, faster, stronger, so close. I was so close.
I'm almost there.
Nakapagsulat ka pa nga eh. Hindi, napatay ko na si Urias eh. Do you upgrade your inventory place like full place similar to Leon Kennedy's inventory? Do you upgrade your inventory place? Are you talking about this one? If you're talking about the main game, like Resident Evil Village 8, yes, you can upgrade it. You can buy it to Duke, but here in Shadow of Rose, you cannot upgrade it. So whatever the game gave you, that's it. Hello Ashley, welcome back. How are you? Oh, what is that? Oh, that's not gonna move, right? Yeah, I know. That's not gonna move. Let's not manifest that it's gonna move. Basta ang susunod dyan si Rose naglalakad. Di mo sure, sabi na naman na DM. Kada nagsasalita na ganyan si DM, kinakabahan ako eh, nagigings talaga eh.
This one's the real deal. I can feel it.
Ayan na! Ayan na ang kristal! Magiging na siyang si, Amihan. Hello, Bao Bao! That's not gonna move. Parang gusto mo pa ata gumalaw tayo. Hindi. Minamanifest ko lang. Ikaw talaga, Samantha. Hello, Erwin. Hello, Sir Yung Mark. Yan na. Sumanib na sa kanya. Ayan na. Magiging frozen to. Tignan mo. Tama, Elsa Morbs. Sinaglit lang yung DLC ah. Sakto lang. Tinulungan ako ni DM. Malaking tulong ginawa sa akin ni DM dito.
Oh my god.
Let's give credit if the credit is due.
Normal feels like.
So, thank you so much. Thank you so much to myself. No, thank you so much to DM. Not to myself. To DM. Nakagulat lang na naging masama. Oo, si Doc. Bakit buhay pa to?
Rose,
Eh, diba?
I've waited so long for you.
Who are you?
My name is Miranda.
Saan na naman si
Mother
Miranda?
Miranda.
Hindi ko nga
You
Bakit
have
nandito na
become
naman to?
so powerful. Far too powerful for me to subdue directly. So, I had to lure you into this realm. So
Buhay
that
na
you
naman
might
siya.
willingly
Diyos ko.
use your powers.
Ganyan na po yung 6. Oo, na-play ko yun sa
He said,
PlayStation pa.
Did he? Or did I?
Nagsimula kami ngayon sa Resident Evil 7. Then this one 8. I think we're about to finish na rin.
Very convincing, wouldn't you say?
Grabe naman tong mga to.
Now you can become the vessel for my
Shucks!
Eva!
Ethan Winters, Rosemary Winters. Hello, Janshel. That's Miranda's consciousness inside the Mega Man. Yeah.
Rose, run!
Yun na! Ayun na! Si Ethan, oh! Hoy! Buhay siya! Buhay siya!
Ethan, you pest!
Ibigay mo yung mga loot ko! Ibigay mo! Wala akong bala ngayon, hoy!
He can't save you, Rose!
Papa.
Wala akong bala! Ibigay mo yung mga loot ko! Dali! Tignan mo, napaka-gentleman, oh. Siya pa mauna.
Escape! Not from me!
Nahabol ba kami? Ah! Sorry.
Dad! Wait, hold up. Is it really you?
Yes, but right now you need to run. Run!
I-ready ko na tissue. Sige. Yung loot pa talaga. Yung mga loot ko, ibalik mo. Ala.
Rose!
Okay lang yan pag si Ethan yung mateds. Deads na naman na yan eh. Amag na yan eh. Ay! Matigas ulo ni Ethan. Ayaw mateds.
Thanks.
Alam ko na, pabalik-balik ka. Matulog ka na. Pahinga ka
Why'd
na.
you let me call you Michael?
I didn't want to
Tulog ka
complicate
ng 4, gising ka
things. I
ng
just needed you
6.
safe.
Hello, Neil!
And I'm sorry I left you alone. But I had to find a way out.
My God, alam mo, napakaganda ng ganito.
Just ahead.
Napakaganda na magiging ending nito. Nagkita silang mag-ama, no? Hala! Hala! Warak na naman ang ulo!
Away from my family! Rose, come on.
Hinatgan na naman ang ulo ni Miranda B. Dali! Pag... Andiyan na si Miranda. Ito na. Okay na. May immortality si Ethan. Meron. Teka, ho yan. Hello, Stella. Andiyan pa rin siya!
Focus.
Ethan!
Parang memorya ng ex mo, no? Nagle-linger.
Rose, now's your chance. Go live a normal life. Make friends. No one will ever call you a freak again.
But
Rose, just go!
Ala! Niyakap!
I know. I love you. But I need to know that you're safe. So please, just...
Hello, Monmon. It's Resident Evil 8 Village, Monmon. It's Shadow of Rose. It's the DLC. Ala! Patay na naman siya! Kulang pa ba yung sama ng loob ni DM?
Young Mutiny Ethan.
Kulang pa ba yung sama ng loob ng viewers ko? Pinatay niyo na naman. Yaho, kulang 12 gauge kay Miranda, dapat talaga 50 cal. Totoo. Yung sabog yung katawan, no? 50 caliber dapat eh.
I've got this.
Eto na! Let it go! Let it go! Hala! Bakit ako? Hindi na lang! Hala! Bakit ako? Akala ko naman to! Siya na bahala! Akala ko movie na! Putik na yan! Sa akin na naman binigay yung trabaho! Nakakabuisit talaga!
Why do you
Buisit! Aja, wala ha? Ano yun? Ha? Ha? Eh, di nakatulog ka! Ha? Eh, di nakatulog ka! Ha?
And even if
Ay, wala ha?
what would be the point? You can't save your father. You
Buisit?
are of two different worlds.
Kasa! Kasa! Ah!
This is
Hala! Binigyan niyo na naman ako ng trabaho, imbis na nanonood na kami. Oh, nakatulog.
you. It took so much to lure you, but
Left and
you're
right and done.
incredible. Wow.
Nambulag na naman talaga, oo.
Might change your mind.
Takbo!
Plans.
You will fall.
Control Karamar. Absorb
Wait lang.
the young blast.
Hala! Hala! Nalangoy!
Time is
Ala! Putik ka! Wait lang. Yan. Gagamitan kita ng powers. Wait ka lang. Okay ka lang. Wait ka lang.
now.
Ha! Putik na yan talaga.
I cultivated this world within the Megamycete to resurrect.
Ala! Ala! Sorry, Monmon na. Wait lang. Basa lang ako ng comment. Baka meron ako mga nakakaligtayan. I'm so sorry. Mold din ba si Rose? Si Rose, ano siya? Kalahating amag, kalahating tao. Left and right nga ni control. Okay po, thanks. May powers ka, maawa ka, hindi ka ito yan. Control daw, para ma-absorb yung blast. Control! May pang-dodge ka dyan. Meron! Oh, sige. Anong gagawin ko, guys, kung wala kayo, no?
Have the power to reach.
Patay ka sa akin!
That is why it must be. You are
Alam mo, mamatay
the
ako!
only one who can bring her back to me. Whatever it takes.
Ala, ako yung mamamatay! Ako yung mamamatay. Teka lang. O, yan na. Teka lang. Lalagay lang ng alcohol.
I will
Yoho.
see this.
Hari ba daw hahayaha?
Wretch, little girl.
Putik, mamatay ka na, please.
Come, be by my side.
Uy, nakailag ako. Mamatay ka na. Please!
How dare you?
My God!
Do you still not see? There is no happy ending.
Says
Lumangoy na naman!
at the end of her reign.
Aangat ka rin. Aangat ka rin. Hala!
You will never be normal. Only I understand how special you are.
Ano ka? Sinalo lahat. Alam mo, tank kasi to.
You just
Elsa kasi to, tank build.
you really are.
Mamamatay ako nito. Teka lang, may Genki Dama na naman. Ay, mamamatay ako nito.
The child inside makes you the perfect vessel.
Okay, boy na ulit. Nag-alcohol na. Madumi lang pala yung kamay. Hala! Oh, ha? Aha! Aha! Ala! Sinalubong na naman! Umatay ka na, pakiusap. Ubus na bala ko.
You are but a vessel.
Mag-dodge ka kasi, te. Tank build nga ni. Tank.
And you the only
Dodge.
one who
Hindi talaga ma-dodge, B. Aha. Aha. Hindi talaga ma-dodge, B. Oh, tinatry kong i-dodge. Hindi talaga ma-dodge yan. Yung ganito lang yung kaya natin i-dodge.
There's nothing.
Mhm. Woo! 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 Saan na yun?
There will be wailing and gnashing.
Sko!
My power now.
Maawa ka, pakiusap. Ayan.
You wretch. I
Ano ba
shall
naman to? Hindi pa rin patay. Ala ka, nabulag na naman ako.
There is no victory.
Ala ka! Ala ka! Anong gagawin ko na dyan?
Comes to fruition.
Tapos na to.
Rose! Over here!
Dad!
Tawagin mo si Estes, sabi ni Wanoki. Si Estes.
Use this! Take her down!
Pinipindot ko yung control, meron talagang hindi ma-dodge. Oh, ayan na, ayan na. Oh, ayan na. 'Di ba? Tank build, mage build. May immortality na to ngayon. Rafaela atake ni Ethan. May resurrection, we. Alo, 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 alo. Ano ba yung ano? Ano ba yung nilalabas ni Goku? Yung malaki, yung...
Elsa plus Tinkerbell.
Oh yeah,
And
energy
yield
ball.
your strength to me.
G! Jirao, G! Haha! Jawaro! Ahiyoha! Halika rito!
So much power.
Sabi niya,
You truly would have been the perfect vessel for my Eva.
I'm not a goddamn vessel. I'm not some stupid copy. I'm me, Rose. And you're done.
Hero Ka even.
yay! Guys, we finish it! Yan. Mare-resurrect kasi si Ethan dito eh. Mare-resurrect si Ethan dito, yung sa napanood ko, tapos magkakabalikan sila ni Mia, tapos magkakanak sila, anak nila si Leon Kennedy. Tapos mag-aampon sila ng bata, yun si Ada.
And even though I wasn't there with you, I always watched over you. I'm so sorry I couldn't protect you.
Gumawa ng Resident Evil niya sarili.
Not this time.
Resident Evil out of this world.
I'm so sorry.
No,
Parang hindi ko nakwenta.
and I don't regret it one bit. If I had left you,
Napataas ka na
we
yun.
never would
Napataas
have
ka
had
yun ni
this
Cruzan.
chance to talk face to face.
Grabe, nakapag-usap pa sila ng ano niya, ng tatay niya, oh. Yes, si Leon,
So it's
na, 'di ba, meron siyang wedding ring, Sage. Kinasal kasi siya dito kay kay Rose.
okay.
Kaso may bali-balita, kaya nagalit si si Miranda kasi dati silang may relasyon.
So very proud of you. Love you, Rose.
I love you too, Dad.
Ay kayo, di mo pinansin. Hello, JB! Hala! Pinahirapan ako lahat-lahat. Natutulog lang siya. Tulog lang siya.
Back.
Ay, grabe. Hawak niya yung sing-sing.
Bulletin mo da yan
It
lahat.
means that it really happened, no? Tama?
Dad.
Tama. It means that it really happened kasi hawak niya yung sing-sing eh. Diba?
Re9.
DM. Hindi pa yan. Meron pa tayong DLC. May isa pa. So, wala ka nang kapangyarihan?
Little boy will be able to touch the moon?
Hello, Hush. Thank you for sharing the live. Salamat.
Wait, what if he has a rocket ship?
Okay, then you can touch it.
Pre
Hello,
Jada
Chinchin.
si Leon sa kwento mo.
Siyo, siya daw yung character sa Resident Evil 15. Uy, pusa.
You were being silly. I don't think that.
Alona, matulog ka na. Magpahinga ka na. Wala na yung powers nyo. Oh. Pag kayo, wait, may tatanong ako mamaya. Ipaalala nyo sa akin na may itatanong ako sa inyo mamaya. Tapusin lang natin to. Ayan. Tingnan mo yan. Wala na, amag na yung tatay mo, be. Napaka-kontrabida. Si Father Mirando ko eh.
I have a lot of tests coming up.
Di ba yan end credit sa main Resident Evil 8? Hindi. DLC to. Ay, oo nga!
Talk of the goddamn devil.
Ito nga yun!
He calls. I love you.
Oo nga, ito nga yung main credits, no? Thank you for following me, Chin Chin. Salamat na marami. Oo nga, ito nga yun. So,
Yeah, I found her. Where else? Today of all days.
oo nga, ito nga yun. Ay, makikita ko na yung sinabi nyo sa akin, yung parang may nakatayong lalaki ka mo.
Evelyn.
Don't you ever call me that again.
Titignan ko ha, wala lang lalaki dito ha,
Rose?
na nakatayo ha.
I can show you things even Chris doesn't know
Teka
I
lang,
can do.
papakita ko yung mouse ko. Ay, wala, hindi makita yung mouse.
Stand down. I can handle it. She's just a kid.
Yan, sige, tingnan natin.
Together, Rose.
You're a lot like him, you know?
Yung shadow si Ethan yun, confirm? Hindi nga, confirm yun?
I know.
Asan? Ayun, yung nasa dulo, yung nasa gitna sa dulo. Ayun, yung parang puno yun eh. So parang parang pinuntahan. Di naman eh. Puno yun. Gumagawa kayo ng... Nagde-develop kayo ng story eh. Joke lang. Biro lang. Opo, sige na po. Opo, si Ethan na po. Opo, buhayin po natin siya. There's a secret details in credits ending in the shadow. Ano sabi? In the shadow, person is Ethan Winter po, guys. Oh, there is! There is! Dito mismo. Itong credits na to. Dito mismo. Tama, Sage? Dito mismo. Okay, guys. Okay. See? Standard. 3 hours. Challenge completed. Green tin. It's starting to grow on me. Okay. Meron pa tayong isa pang DLC, guys. 2 hours lang game pero mag 4 hours ka. Angie naman. Congrats me muna. Ito naman, bago man lang ako, congrats Yoho muna. Tsaka na nga yan, DM talaga. Ito po, ayaw mo nito, The Mercenaries. Gamit natin si si Ethan. Oh. Ay, parang to? Ay, to? Ay, to? Hello, Stella. Thank you for following me. Salamat na marami. Thank you, Angie. Ay, ba't nandito ako? Ano to? Okay na po. Sorry na. Ano to? Bakit nandito ako?
If I say so myself.
Bahala ka na dyan, sabi ni Samantha. Anong gagawin? Ah, may oras? Nope! Nope! I ain't gonna do that. Nope! Nope. So, ito yung mga extra content, guys. Extra content shop, o movies, concept art, challenges, the tragedy of Ethan Winters, the Baker incident. Ano itong extra content? Oh, that's it. Hindi daw eh. Ibang games daw. Huwag muna tayo mag-Resident Evil 9, guys. Kasi I already learned from it. Give it at least a month. Give it at least a month more. Then we're gonna play it. Kasi usually if that happens, it will look like I bandwagon with them. So mas maganda yung yung mga hindi pa kasi malamang yan, marami na rin nakapaglaro. Katulad mo, DM.